How to change Wi-Fi password. This video is for those people who have Wi-Fi, especially for beginners who have not changed Wi-Fi password before watching this video. So in this video, I will change my Wi-Fi password by using laptop. Before going toward screen, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's go toward screen. For changing Wi-Fi password, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. After connecting your laptop to Wi-Fi, go to Chrome browser. Search the IP address. Open first link. Sign into your Wi-Fi router. In this box, enter admin. In this box, enter admin password. Note that admin password and Wi-Fi password is not same. After sign in, this window will be open. Click on wireless. Now click on security. Now remove this password and set new password. From here you can display your password. Here click on apply and save. If you set easy password, then it will show this dialog box, but don't worry, simply click on OK. After saving changes here, you will find the message your data have been stored. In this video you have learned how to change your Wi-Fi password. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe for more interesting video and comment subscribed. Thank you.